Hello and welcome to our DBT Core Guide. My name is Steven Johnson and I'm the Data Community Advocate here at Shipyard. I'm so excited that you're joining us to learn more about how to deploy DBT Core into the cloud. This series will include 3 parts that help you start from scratch in DBT Core and get you to a point where you can begin to transform your data. At the end of part 1, you will have the sample data provided uploaded to your cloud data warehouse to be ready to move into part 2. The steps in this tutorial will specifically utilize Google's BigQuery. If you use Redshift, Databricks, or Snowflake, don't worry because we also have guides made specifically for those 3 cloud data warehouses as well. The links for those will be in the description below. Also in the description below will be a link to the sample data that we will use in part 1 of this guide. Please go ahead and download it and then head over to the BigQuery console. Let's get started. The first step of this guide will be to create a sample project inside of BigQuery. Click in the top left corner of the page to access the project browser. Then select New Project. For the name of the project, enter DBT-demos. Organization and location can stay at their default values. Click Create to finish creating this demo project. Locate the DBT Demos project we created on the left sidebar. Click the 3 dots and choose to create a dataset. Name the dataset 𝗵𝗺𝗻𝗀_football and click Create Dataset. Next, we will create the tables in our new dataset that will hold the sample data. Expand the DBT Demos project on the left sidebar. Locate the dataset that we just created. Click the 3 dots and choose to create a table. Under Create Table From, select the Upload option and select the file 𝗵𝗺_matches_latest.csv. Under File Format, select CSV if it's not already selected. The project and dataset should automatically be set for us. Name the table STG_football_matches. Under Schema, check the box for Auto Detect. We will now repeat the steps from above with the exception of choosing the SPI_global_rankings.csv file to upload and naming that table STG_football_rankings. We can now see the 2 tables that we created under the 538 football data set. If we click on one of the tables, we can see the schema that BigQuery created for the table using the auto-generate, and we can also click to preview the data in the table by clicking the Preview tab. Thank you for joining me for part 1 of our DBT Core series. You're now ready to move on to part 2, where we will focus on setting up DBT Core in the cloud. If you have any questions about part 1 or as you move into part 2 or even part 3, feel free to use the intercom button on the bottom right-hand corner of the Shipyard webpage. See you in part 2.